Oculus VR had a big hardware surprise to unveil at its annual Connect developer conference on Wednesday, the new Quest independent virtual reality headsets. The Quest is the culmination of Oculus' last 5 years of virtual reality work, and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg called it a big step to get 1 billion people involved in virtual reality. Oculus Chief Technology Officer John Carmack, a video game industry legend who is responsible for creating seminal shooters titles like Wolfenstein, Doom and Quake, was more direct. The Oculus Quest is a gaming console. Realistically, we are going to end up competing with the Nintendo Switch, Carmack told the crowd. Where Oculus Go headphones are 80% media and 20% games, Oculus Quest focuses emphatically on games. In fact, it is possibly the first VR headset to offer the benefits that have attracted people to Microsoft, Sony and Nintendo products. Carmack argues that the Oculus Quest, like the Nintendo Switch, redirects how, where and to what extent it can enjoy the games. Oculus is not trying to replace its high-end Rift headset in the same way that Nintendo is not trying to replace its PC or Xbox. But it's about building something that is portable and easy to use while providing some of the same experiences you would find in a higher-powered device.